The head. The head can be skirted or non-skirted. Skirts are attachments used to extend the length of the femoral neck. Skirt decreases the head-neck ratio. Regarding smaller or larger head, volumetric wear is proportional to the square of the radial diameter of the femoral head. Trade-off: the smaller the size, the more the linear wear. So if you are using 22.2 mm, then the wear is more linear, while using 32 mm, the wear is more volumetric. A larger head will give greater range of motion and decrease dislocation rate due to increased head-neck ratio, but greater torque, friction, and volumetric rate can decrease polythickness. So make a graph, draw linear wear and volumetric wear, and get a trade-off on 28 in a paragraph. Rheumatoid hip doubles the infection rate in total hip replacement surgery.